Hello, so today's objective will be about the four basic approaches that are used to develop criterion reference standards for tests of human performance. So the first approach is the judgmental approach. It is when an expert defines the categories or cutoff points. Their knowledge is based on their experience or beliefs, and this helps them make the appropriate decision and places that person at the right level after the evaluation. An example that I believe matches this approach is a soccer coach placing its athletes in either JV or varsity depending on how they performed during tryouts. And the second approach is normative approach, and this one uses big data sets to create categories and their standards. The criterion is based on expert opinions, research, and available norms. An example for this would be BMI, since it does set a standard for normal weight, and it also gives us the numbers for underweight, overweight, and then obese people. Next, we have the empirical approach. This uses criteria that are already existing and valid. This approach is used the least because of the lack of a directly measurable external criterion. An example of this would be the performance standards for firefighters. Lastly, we have the combination method. This method uses all of the available approaches and sources. This method can be seen as the best since it does use more than one approach, and it does help us find the most appropriate cutoff score since it does combine the help of big data sets and also the opinion of experts.